The spring real estate market is heating up. Don't miss your chance to find the perfect home. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you'll make in your lifetime, and you want to be sure to get it right. Hi, I'm Carrie Lawless with eXp Realty. Now that we're entering into spring, as a home buyer, you're going to start to see increased inventory on the market, and that means more options to choose from. Spring means warmer weather, making house shopping easier and more comfortable. Also, longer daylight hours allow for more flexible viewing times for buyers to schedule home tours around their busy schedules. With the warmer weather, sellers may opt for open houses, making looking at houses even easier, and you'll get a better sense of the neighborhood. Bottom line, if you've been holding off on your home search, spring is the perfect time to get into action. Contact me so I can map out the perfect plan for you to find the perfect place to call home. I'm Carrie Lawless, your trusted real estate advisor.